Our strategic plan encourages the creation of mixed-use, walkable, multimodal communities where it references 20-minute neighborhoods, places where you can walk within a fairly short distance, but have access to recreation, entertainment, jobs, housing, and otherwise be a place where you would like to be. That's a feature that's attractive to all segments of our population, certainly to young families, certainly to millennials. In addition to millennials, older adults who are of the baby boomer age who are also trying to make decisions about where to retire and what environments they want to live in. We want them to age in Fairfax County and have the option of moving to or relocating to a place that's more of a mixed-use urban environment.
The image of Fairfax is drivable suburban heaven, and that's going to stay that way. That's not going away. About 5% of your land mass will be converting to walkable urban. The most walkable urban places, counterintuitively, are also the most socially equitable. Yes, we have these huge price premiums as far as housing, but the transportation costs of households that live there are cut in half. It also generates incredible tax revenues. You have much more accessibility to jobs. Our numbers show between 2 and 3 times more accessibility to jobs. It's your classic win-win. Everybody wins when these walkable urban places that are confined get built surrounded by drivable suburban neighborhoods.
Residents will begin to see some of these changes occur when the development community begins construction on some of the projects that have already received zoning approval from the Board of Supervisors. We're focusing our redevelopment efforts in our transit station areas, our areas where we currently have metro stations, where we're planning to have extensions of those stations, and also in our commercial revitalization areas and districts. So those are the primary areas of focus for these mixed-use, walkable, more intense places where people can live, work, and play.